Hi, along with my partner Chaz Shively, we founded Prosper Wellness based in Steamboat Springs, Colorado, ground zero for the cannabidiol, CBD, revolution. Featuring full-spectrum cannabidiol, 150 milligrams of high-quality CBD in every jar, plus 5 additional pain-soothing natural ingredients. Our CBD Pain Freeze Cream provides soothing relief in seconds for joint and muscle pain. When you need pain relief, you need it now. Our cream starts working immediately. CBD is all the rage these days. Now you can experience this incredible ingredient, full-spectrum CBD for maximum benefits, that has our clients raving. We know exactly where our hemp comes from. Family Colorado farmers using only natural farming techniques. Our extraction lab is FDA and GMP approved, producing CBD with one of the highest bioavailability scores on the market. Can your hemp and CBD provider say that? Plus, our risk-free guarantee. If at any time you're not satisfied with your product, we'll refund 100% of your investment. Click the link below in the description for full product